everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick card using the Merry Christmas layers and the Slimline stitched card front thin cut sets. Okay, so this is the Merry Christmas layers. It comes with two dies that cut out the word Christmas, and then a die that cuts Merry, and then this wood grain stitched card front. Okay, so I'm going to use some gold glitter paper along with Christmas Story pattern papers. Okay, so I'm just going to run the word Christmas through, and I wasn't sure how I wanted to layer things up, so I did one of each in gold glitter, and then another, I did one of each in the Christmas Story papers so that I could layer them up and just see how they look. So I can always use the extras for another card later on. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with Christmas Story and run those guys through. And then I'm going to take this wood grain stitched slimline and run that through on the regular side of toffee. Check that out. It's got all these stitched lines that get cut into the card. And then I'm going to use pine for the stitched background piece. So it cuts a slimline card size with stitching around the edges. And then off camera, I'll take the word Merry, and I'm going to die cut this 4 times using black cardstock. And then I'm going to layer them together to give some dimension to the element. So off camera I'll do the rest of the layering, but that's the basic process. Just pinch them together and layer them up. Okay, now we can start building our card. So I have a slimline card base, so I'll go ahead and put that piece of pine down, and I'm going to put these down direct with tape runner, and then I'll layer in that wood grain piece on top, and the die cuts it so there's a nice amount of pine around it. Layer those two, and then I'll bring in the word Christmas. Okay, so I'm going to try out the gold on top of the scarlet patterned paper from Christmas Story. I'm liking that. But let's try out the other way and see what the gold base looks like with the red on top of it, just to make sure. Nope, it was kind of disappearing on that toffee, so I'm going to go with the red card base with the gold on top. Make sure when you punch out all these pieces that you save that little piece for the R and the piece for the A. Don't throw them away. Then I'm going to bring in my stickers from Christmas Story. I'm going to add a couple of little ornament stickers, and I'm putting these down before I start gluing the words Merry Christmas to the card front, just so I get the positioning correctly. And then the stickers come with some gold foil stars. I'm going to add those. And then on the left side by the word Christmas, I'm going to add some holly and berries. Okay. And off camera, I'm going to go ahead and layer up the word Christmas on top of the Christmas Story background, and then pop everything with thin foam tape. And then I'll add the word Merry using some glue. So cute. Quick and simple. And for the last step, I'm going to trace over the word Merry with some black onyx liquid pearls. And this last step, it really adds a lot to the card. It makes the word Merry look like a true embellishment. We'll get some close-up shots in just a second. It looks so cool. Check this out. Okay, and there's my finished card. So all these supplies are currently available in my online store. I'll make a list with links in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And then you'll be able to find all of my videos. And thanks for watching.